Hi everybody, welcome back to Crafting with Slavie, where we make cards and other paper crafts. We are doing more unboxings today because Christmas is a really great time to stock up on stuff, especially with all the different sales and whatnot. So I want to share with you all the things that I've gotten. I am still waiting on a couple more packages, but this is going to be lengthy enough as it is. Alrighty, so the first one is from my local scrapbook store, my not so local scrapbook store. And I'm just gonna set this off to the side. Let's go through the goodies. Oh, all right. So we have Wow embossing powder, inspired by Catherine Pooler. It's called Halo. It's very pretty. It reminds me of Prisma glitter. And I got 2 of those. Then I also got this one called Copper Teal, inspired by Marion Emberson. And I love the color. It's like a teal with gold flecks. Look at how pretty that is. So I'm excited to get to play with that. Then we have Studio Katia embellishments. They're little envelopes, which I thought would go really well in a shaker for Valentine's Day, because the envelopes, there's little hearts in the envelope, which is super adorable. All right, another thing that I got is these 3D foam strips. These are from Scrapbook Adhesives, and they're just thin foam strips that you see everybody using. However, I wanted to compare them to these ones that I got from Reese. So I got 2 of those and more embellishments because I can't help myself. This is another Studio Katia. These are bitty paws. Oh, look at that. They're just cute little paws. How adorable is that? Oh, and I should mention these ones are called Lovely Envelopes. And I got a replacement tip from my embellishment wand. Yep. Okay. There's a couple more goodies in here. Sorry, I'm just taking off the price tags as I'm showing you guys this. So these are distressed crayons. These are the metallics. So I'm excited to try these out because I am starting to get into the crayons. And then I really want to branch out. I know I keep saying this. I was watching an unboxing video with my family the other day, and they just happened to pull up my channel, but I really do want to branch out. So I thought this would be a really great one, because I could try watercoloring it now that I'm a little bit more comfortable, or I could try coloring it with Copics. So we'll see. Wish me luck. And then because this is pink fresh, this is another reason why I got this. I wanted to try out their layering stencils. So there are several layering stencils in here that basically help you color this image. So wish me luck. I'm hoping to demo this in a future video, hopefully sooner rather than later. Okay. So that's that from the local, not so local scrapbook store. Get that out of the way. Boop. Okay, next up. Simon Says Stamp. I have quite a few things here, guys. So this is going to be a bit of a longer video. And I didn't save it up. It just got stuck in the mail. And then I went away. And then I came back. Oh, look at that. $5 off. This is valid no longer. Never mind. Okay, these are the Santa's Sleigh Ride slider dies. When I made the cards, and I'll link to the video here for my holiday cards, I didn't have this die, and I had to fussy cut out this section with all the buildings and stuff, which, I mean, it's fine, but it took a long time, and because I was making so many, I decided to get the dies. And then I purchased the Simon Says Stamp large brush set. So I'm super excited for this. I love their the color of these brushes. I think they're just beautiful. And I really love how they have caps on them. So if I ever decide to go traveling, these are going to be perfect for me to take along with me. Set that off to the side. Here is another Simon package. If I can get into it, that is. You might need to call a locksmith. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, so this is really exciting. Are you guys excited? Maybe it's just me. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's a story behind these stamps. I missed out on the Stamptember Tim Holtz and Simon Says Stamp collaboration because I was humming and hawing, and I hummed and hawed too long before the stamp set was gone. It was that one with Santa Claus and the sleigh, and it was just beautiful. But really what drew me to that stamp set was the type of messages and greetings that were on there, because I don't know about you guys, but when I look at a lot of these, I actually just start singing Christmas carols in my head, and I love that. So I really wanted to get something for next year where I could just do a simple like heat embossed stamp on a card and just send it off. So that's what that is. And then here I have another Stampers Anonymous. This one is just beautiful. I love the images. I haven't quite decided how I'm going to use these, but I think I need to start experimenting with pencil crayons. Oh, another expired thing. And then these guys. So these are the Glitz glitter gels that Simon put out with deco foil in like the really awesome Christmassy colors. There you go. So that's that package. And I'm not done. I know what you're thinking. Girl, you're crazy. You're probably right. Okay, so this one has my address on the front and back. So, but here's a sneak peek. Can you tell what it is? If you're a lawn fawn addict like me, you know exactly what that is. And here we go. Breaking in. Okay. Ooh, exciting. All right, so that's the package. First off, I got more Prisma glitter because I've been glittering all the things and I'm running out of Prisma glitter, which, I mean, that's a blessing and a curse. And through the holidays, nobody had it. So I figured if I'm going to order from Lawn Fawn, I may as well get some more Prisma glitter. Just love it. Look at that, guys. So pretty. I love Prisma glitter. Okay, and then here is my beautiful little package. I just love it. Oh, cute. Stamp just for you. Thank you, Catherine. Okay. More twine. It's not teal, but it's that green one. It's all good. This was the gift with purchase. You Croc My World. And I think it's so cute. Okay. Oh, and I got a little notebook instead of papers. That's cute. I like that. All right. So this was for a Jen Shirka's class that she aired in December. So obviously, since it's January now, I wasn't able to participate fully in that class because I didn't have any other things. So we've got Stitched Snowflake Frame, Outside In Stitched Snowflake, Yeti or Not, because how cute are these little Yetis? And then this one is just beautiful. It's Merry Messages. Sorry there. It's Merry Messages, and it's got different types of sentiments for Christmas. And it's only available on the Lawn Fawn website, as far as I can tell. Nobody else has it. Like, look at this one. This one's so cute. have yourself a merry little Christmas. I just love it. And then because I can't get enough of wavy sayings, here's some winter wavy sayings. And we've got Simply Celebrate Winter, which is so cute. It's also going to be the only thing that I have with snowmen on it. But that's okay, because this will be really cute for compilation scenes and such. So I'm excited to play with these. I really do want to do like a get cracking on Christmas, just like Jen Shirkus does, because it was such a mad rush. And as you guys know, if you follow my channel, I didn't get a lot of videos out until after the holidays because it was just too much with trying to complete them and then edit the video. So we'll be doing Get Cracking on Christmas in this house, that's for sure. All right, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.